Hey, welcome! In this video I will show you how to get started with DSTitan. To start dropshipping, you will need to follow a few simple steps. The first of those steps is to log into our application and download the extension. When you log into the application, you will find an Install Chrome extension button on the left-hand side. Simply click on that button and it will direct you to Chrome Web Store, where you can download our extension. Click Add, and you have DSTitan installed. The next step is to log into your plugin. You will see a regular Gmail login prompt. Simply click on the correct email and you should be able to log in. Now, when you're logged in, we can go to the second step. The second step is to go to AliExpress.com and start looking for products. Let's just try to find an item that we can import. So for example, we can go into tech. Let's pick an item that we like. So for example, this mouse. Now when you open the product page, you will see an import button, which is in the right bottom side of the page. Simply click on that button to start importing. Wait for the import to finish. And when it says it's successful, you can go to DSTitan to see your item. Now reload the list and you can see that we have successfully imported our first item. Now the only step that remains is actually to start selling those items on eBay. So simply go to eBay, click on Create Listing, Single Listing. You will see a list of items that you can export to eBay. Now the first item will be the last that we have imported, but if you want to select another item, you can simply click on the list and select another item. But for this video we will go with the first one. So let's click Export. DSTitan will pre-fill most of the information that we have collected from AliExpress. Insert the images, insert the title, set the price, and etc. Now what we have to do is verify if the information is correct, if we like the price, and list the item. And that's it.